Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hope you all are doing well in this lockdown period. We all are aware of how difficult the time is due to COVID-19 and we all are trying to cope with the situation as much as possible. So today I will be sharing with you all some tips and tricks to keep yourself physically fit and safe. Important tip. In this video I shared the latest report, symptoms, of WHO and CDC about coronavirus, so don't skip and watch the video up to the end. Coronavirus safety tips for everyone. The WHO and American Red Cross are closely monitoring the coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 pandemic and following the latest guidance from the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC). According to the CDC, COVID-19 symptoms include fever, shortness of breath, or a cough. Symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure. Call your doctor for medical advice if you think you have been exposed to COVID-19 and develop symptoms. People with COVID-19 have had a wide range of symptoms reported, ranging from mild symptoms to severe illness. Some recent symptoms were reported by WHO and CDC. Don't miss a single second of the video from this point of time. Symptoms may appear 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. People with these symptoms may have COVID-19. 1. Cough. 2. Shortness of breath or difficulty breathing. 3. Fever. 4. Chills. 5. Muscle pain. 6. Sore throat. 7. New loss of taste or smell. There are not all possible symptoms. Other less common symptoms have been reported, including gastrointestinal symptoms like nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. How does COVID-19 spread? 1. According to the CDC, the virus is thought to be spread mainly from person to person. This means it may spread between people who are in close contact with one another, within about 6 feet, or through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. These droplets can land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby or possibly be inhaled into the lungs. Some recent studies have suggested that COVID-19 may be spread by people who are not showing symptoms. 2. The CDC also reports that it may be possible for someone to get COVID-19 by touching a surface or object with the virus on it, and then touching their own mouth, nose, or possibly their eyes, but this is not thought to be the main way the virus spreads. The best way to prevent illness from COVID-19 is to avoid being exposed to the virus, as there is no vaccine to prevent COVID-19. Use healthy practices to protect yourself. The best way to stay healthy is to follow these steps from the CDC and WHO. 1. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after being in a public place, or after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. 2. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. 3. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. 4. Wear a cloth face covering to cover your mouth and nose when around others, as physical distancing is not always possible. People may spread the infection even prior to having symptoms, and you could spread COVID-19 to others even if you do not feel sick. Don't place coverings on young children under age 2, anyone who has trouble breathing, or is unconscious, incapacitated, or otherwise unable to remove the mask without assistance. 5. Stay home if you are sick, except to get medical care. 6. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue when coughing or sneezing and throw the tissue away after use. If a tissue isn't available, cough or sneeze into your elbow or sleeve, not your hands. 7. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces daily. This includes tables, doorknobs, light switches, handles, desks, computers, phones, keyboards, sinks, toilets, faucets, and countertops. 8. If surfaces are dirty, clean them. Use detergent, or soap and water, prior to disinfecting. 9. Wear a face mask if you are sick. You should wear a face mask when you are around other people, e.g., sharing a room or vehicle, and before you enter a healthcare provider's office. Follow these 5 easy steps to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Step 1. Sneeze or cough. Cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or use your elbow. Step 2. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Step 3. Clean and disinfect surfaces around your home and work frequently. Step 4. Keep at least 6 feet between yourself and others if you must be in public. Step 5. Wear a cloth face covering over your mouth and nose when around others. Have you recovered from COVID-19? People who have fully recovered from COVID-19 have antibodies in their plasma that may help attack the virus. So now your responsibility is to share this video with all your loved one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Always stay safe and healthy.